What's up, LOW gang? I'm here with this little fat dude right here. You know I ain't been with y'all for a little minute, but this is BX. Y'all know who he is.
Hey,
go ahead,
out here, man. Tune original, Wayne. You know we doing it for you, baby. Full throttle, we in effect.
Yes, sir. Anyways, we out here at this meet. I don't even know what it's called. Y'all already know the deal. I don't know any type of meet. You know, I just come out here and show up. You know, it's what I'm supposed to do. But sorry if the music is throwing y'all off a little bit, but we out here recording, doing what we have to do. I know I haven't been with y'all for a minute. It's been about 3-4 weeks, and high school is killing me. But anyways, I'm gonna get right back into the video. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted for this music and stupid people going by, like always. But anyway, let's get back into the video, and I'll catch y'all later. As y'all can see, y'all know what's going on. I don't got my tripod with me right now, so like y'all gotta understand it's gonna be a little shaky. I left my tripod at home. But anyway, we're gonna get right back into the video. As you can tell, y'all see this right here. That's a little bad thing right there. But anyway, we're going back to this video.
Little Bills. I was thuggin' on that block tryna give me $1. I couldn't take it, had to go and look out for my mama. Got so much problems, I'm like, Lord, can you please come and solve them? I went from Billy on that block to now little Billy ballin'. I got a fly like every bitch, cause them hoes keep on calling. None of my siblings gotta ask if they need it about it. I remember days when I ain't had shit in my closet, and now I'm drippin' on these niggas just like I'm a faucet. I'm paranoid, I told that 9 in case I had no problems. Smoke so much green that I done turned up into the green goblin. Everything changed when everyone know that you're poppin'. Soon as they see you getting money, they gon' try to stop it. Gotta stack the shit up, young nigga, gotta stack up every dollar. This for them niggas who be sleeping, thuggin' they Impala. I'm thuggin' hard up every day until the Lord come calling. I'm tryna rack up all these Benjamins, but ain't no who gon' save me when that time goes by. Yeah, when that time goes by. Yeah, when that time goes by. Yeah, when that time goes by. Tryna give me $1, I was thuggin' hard. Tryna give me some guala, I was thuggin' hard. Till the look on the counter, I was thuggin' hard. With my nigga, pray we don't start slipping. I'm on that green and ain't no gremlin, you know that I'm living. I want that coupe, I want that car with the stars on the ceiling. These niggas saying that I'm hitting, cause I talk like I be sippin'. All these bitches, I be dripped down in Da Vinci. Shawty gave me a hickey all on my dick, yeah. I remember y'all used to rockin' dick, yeah. I be pull up right to straight down road to riches. I pray to God and the Lord is my witness. I remember selling dimes in the trenches. Now I got them blue honeys, yeah, them binges. And I got them blue honeys, yeah, them binges. Me when that time goes by. Yeah, when that time goes by. Yeah, when that time goes by. Yeah, when that time goes by. Tryna give me $1, I was thuggin' hard. Tryna give me some guala, I was thuggin' hard. Till the look on the counter, I was thuggin' hard. I was thuggin' hard.
Got him sitting on bags. Let's see what these bags. Airlift Performance. I already know. Go ahead and follow the man. Look at this, Volkswagen GTI 2012. Look at that bag. Nice little sleeper car right here, parked up front. You already know what it is. Looking over here. Got the CTSV. Then you got El Chapo. El Chapo. You already know. El Chapo in the mix. It's good as always. Got them on the box. We got the WRX over here. Ooh, this mug looking nice. Got the green on there. You already know what it is. And then my all-time favorite right here. I don't know if it's a Track Hawk or just a SRT, but man, they both look the same. And I really do think it's just the SRT, even though a Track Hawk is an SRT, but I think it's just the SRT because as you can tell from down here, it just says SRT. But y'all know I'm a little Mopar guy, so I'm always loving this, you know. It's a nice little thing right here. I'm in love with these Jeeps. If y'all ever met me, y'all understand why I love these Jeeps. Nothing like this. Nothing can be, in my opinion, no other SUV or truck can beat this right here. This truck right here, there's just something about it. Like, it's just really different than any other truck out there, like the Range Rover and stuff like that, or the Lambo truck. I feel like it's different than this. This has more style, and it's more like, I don't know, more raceable fashion, you could say. But anyways, we're gonna move on. We got this BMW right here. You know what I'm saying? Nice little BMW, all blacked out. And then we got this Honda over here. This mother looking bad. I like that greenish bluish color. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead, follow Ethan. This man. Long pipe. Everybody love them long pipes. And then over here we got this Veloster, or however you say this word. I don't really know cars like this because I don't pay attention to cars like this because this is not my style, but I ain't gonna lie, it's really, really nice. Veloster, that's what they're called. As you can tell, it's got turbo, it says it on there. I don't know if it really has turbo. And they got this looks like a little Mazda, ain't it? I think this is a Mazda. Yeah, it is. I couldn't tell because it was all beat up, but they probably drifted. Anyways, more Hondas. Did another Acura. It's Acura. Oh no, you good. Sorry. Then you got this this Infiniti right here looking all good and black on silver. See, I'm not too big of a fan of black and silver, only because black on black would look better in my opinion, or black and white. Silver is just too basic, you know, but it's still looking nice. You know, go ahead, send nudes. Go ahead, do all that. Go ahead, follow the Snapchat. I think that's all he has. Another Acura, RSXS. Ooh, it's got a little wide body going on. Y'all can see that. That's really nice. Yeah, it's really nice. Carbon fiber hood. It's real nice. That's really. Then you got the Lexus over here. I like the color. It's got the little what you call that? Sparkles. You know what I'm saying? Oh man, what do they call that? Anyways, I'm in love with this Lexus right here. The color is really amazing, and then the splitter is really amazing. Carbon fiber. And the wheels brings it out more because it's more of a darkish matte black, you could say. Because it's more of a matte color. And then over here, can't forget about this one right here. Bat Magnum, official Bat Magnum on Instagram. Ooh, hottest Magnum in DFW. You know, got the black rims. Black rim. My fault, LOW game. My stuff had turned off because it got too hot. And you know, iPhones, they be getting hot out here. And especially with glass on the back. I hate when it happens. But anyways, I'm bringing y'all more footage. And get right, stay tuned into the video because we got this. Seen this airlift performance. Ooh, 728, where you at, bro? 728, I'm calling you out, man. 728 autos, where you at, bro? Oh boy. If y'all don't know who 728 autos is, go ahead, subscribe to his YouTube channel because he has the hottest GTI, I think that's what it is, in DFW. And I swear on my mama's name, bro, he is amazing. He loves the car scene just like I do. So what you need to do, go ahead, subscribe to his channel, and stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? So let's get right back into the video before I get copyrighted again. On my last video, I got copyrighted again. So let's just do what we gotta do. Well, I wanna talk to y'all for a little second. You know, I've been grinding. I've been off my grind a little bit, but I've been grinding. Listen to me. But if you're not doing something with your life, go ahead, stand up, pause the video, stand up. If you really want to be something in life, you have to push towards that. You can't just sit there and act like something's gonna come to you, because it's really not gonna come to you. So nothing comes to you just by sitting on your tail. Nothing comes to you by being lazy and not doing what you want to do to pursue that dream that you have. In order to pursue that dream that you have to go do it. You have to start and do something in life. You can't just watch my videos all day. You can't just watch other people's videos all day, because that's not gonna make you the person you want to be at the end of the day. Whatever you want to be, go ahead and strive for it. You're gonna fail, but you're also gonna succeed. And if you succeed by failing, then go ahead and do it, because failing is what's gonna make you stronger, and that's what's gonna make you more powerful, and that's what's gonna tell you, oh, don't do this next time, do this instead of that, take that road instead of this road. Because at the end of the day, we all are humans, and we all want to be something. We all want to have the money when we get older. We all want to be rich when we get older. But in order to be rich and in order to be successful, you have to do something about it. With that being said, we're gonna get right back into this video because I don't want to talk to y'all this whole time. Let's get back into this video, y'all. Do something with your life. You see the stance on it? Let's measure that up. Ooh. You know what I'm saying? I think this is my boy Scat Pack Black right here, powered by SRT. So I have a question for y'all. If it says powered by SRT, but it's a 392 Scat Pack, is it really a SRT? Just because it's powered by SRT, do you think they should still consider Scat Packs SRTs or Scat Packs? Because I think Scat Packs are 6'4", and I think Hellcats are 6'2", but that's irrelevant. Do y'all like answer my question? Yeah, 6'4", see? But answer my question. You still going back to this little bad thing right here? Ooh, it kills me every time I see it. I don't know about y'all, but that sound makes me just woof. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, stay tuned to the video. I know I haven't filmed in 3 weeks, but it's cool. We still going on that grind. We up to all 2019. And comment down below if y'all want to see me do a video or a review with Hemi Life 44, because we still working. So we up all 2019. Anyway, hold on. We got a McLaren and a Lambo right here.
I know they be on some faggot shit. I'ma stash it where my cabbage is. On some savage shit. We on the head and bag of shit.
Monopoly got one.
Whip it, chop it, flip it, baby, gon' and hit the bag of shit. These niggas pussy, I know they was on some package shit. Had to make some racks, bitch, I'ma stash it where my cabbage is. My young niggas killers, all of them be on some savage shit. Whip it, chop it, flip it, baby, gon' and hit the bag of shit. These niggas pussy, I know they be on some package shit. Had to make some racks, bitch, I'ma stash it where my cabbage is. My young niggas killers, all of them be on some savage shit. I said my niggas on some savage shit. I had to make some racks and shit. I had to get my weight up. I ain't talking about no calorie. Big booty little Spanish bitch, and her name is Valerie. She eat a nigga up just like she eatin' on some salad. I said I pray the Lord every night, cause I know I'm capping shit. All of my young niggas, they gon' pull up in all black and shit. Gotta stack my bread up, inspiration for them kiddies. The bitch on the body, now she feelin' on them titties. Gotta get my mama out the slums. Gotta stack my bread up, cause you know I'm number one. Fucking with them lines, said them boys, they go dumb. Pull a bitch a crib with 100 round drum. Yeah, gotta get my mama out the slums. Gotta stack my bread up, cause you know I'm number one. Fucking with them lines, said them boys, they go dumb. Pull a bitch a crib with 100 round drum. Yeah, whip it, chop it, flip it.
Oh, if it ain't trial, look at this man right here. Look at this little SRT thing going. Oh boy. Every time I see it, it's just something about this car. Something about this car just makes people want to have it. Alright, LOW gang, I think we're gonna end this video right here. Only because it's starting to get a little dead. And it's just, you know, got the SRT right here. You know what I'm saying? I had to do that because we had to get up. I don't know. Anyways, let's get back into the video. Figure it out later. Alright, LOW gang, you know what it is. We done with this meet. It was retarded and stupid. Now let me stop. Anyways, this was a nice meet. I'll see you on the next video, probably about 2 weeks, because I don't feel like filming. And if y'all get mad at me for it, just go ahead and unsubscribe. Anyways, we'll be back with another video. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment. Turn post notification bell on so you can stay up to date with my new videos. Go ahead, go to 728 Autos, the Dewani Effect, and That's No Mexican. Shout out to them. Go ahead, subscribe to them. Their link will be in the description below. And we out.
All I see is fake, man. Good thing I got played, cause that made me fucking change. Now it's no fucking feelings, cause I'm all up on my fucking change.
Whip it, chop it, flip it, baby, gon' and hit and bag the shit. These niggas pussy, I know they was on some faggot shit. Had to make some racks, bitch, I'ma stash it where my cabbage is. My young niggas killers, all of them be on some savage shit. Whip it, chop it, flip it, baby, gon' and hit and bag.